What's up? It's interactive videos with John Marcel Well. You have to duet this right now. Do not cheat. Do not move. All you have to do is keep this face the whole time. I cannot scare you, move you, or make you flinch a little bit. You ready? Let's start. And we doing it better, better. I want to be an American man. We're going to see the different stars and sun in line. Hello? You ever been chilling with somebody and you went to, like, you know what I'm saying, eat lunch, and you're like, all right, shoot, it's time to eat lunch, and then when you get down there to eat, it's just like, let me know how you did in the comments below.